Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you have the low sound volume on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. Now, the first way I'm going to show you is how to do it just in the settings. So if I scroll on down from the top and go to settings right here, and then go to sound, there is a sound mixer for all your different sounds. So like media volume, call volume, alarm volume, notification volume. Just make sure this is increased right here so the tablet is actually at its maximum sound. So you can adjust it here. So media volume will be like your YouTube videos, etc., Netflix. So just in here, make sure it's loud enough. Otherwise, what we can do is go to the App Store right here. Go to the search icon right here and type in volume booster. So let's type this in, just like this. Then get this application. So we can get volume booster right here. I can see it. So let's select volume booster. We can try all these different apps, but this one's Speaker Booster Full Pro. We can get this onto our application and download it. And this says smart and simple application. So let's open this up. So on top here, it gives us options just to increase the volume overall. And then we have an option to boost the audio on the bottom. So if we want to go ahead and increase the sound of our tablet, go ahead and try one of these volume booster applications and see if that helps you out. So there's a couple different ones on the App Store. So I just downloaded that one. But look through the ratings and just try out these. So there's MP3 booster as well. So this one just had the most reviews to it. So check this out and see if you can increase the sound volume by using one of these third-party applications. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.